What is up, you guys? Welcome to or back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over so many new launches. I have new products from Bath & Body Works, new body care items from Walmart, from Target, some really good name brand finds from Marshalls, and yeah, a ton of stuff. I've been on the hunt for a lot of these products for weeks now, so I'm super excited for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe because I post every single week, and let's get right into it. First, we're going to start off with EOS Classic Scent. This is called Vanilla Cashmere. This is a newer product from them. It is their cashmere whipped oil butter, and this is like a really good rich body butter. I've never smelled anything like this in my life. It is like so perfectly vanilla and warm, almost marshmallowy, but like buttery. It is so good. I love this body butter specifically because I feel like it just melts perfectly into the skin. It is perfectly thick. I feel like it doesn't leave a greasy residue, and again, it just smells so good. I've never smelled anything like this in my life. And then they did end up coming out with body mist, which is what I was on the hunt for so long. I ended up ordering the mist off of Target online, which you guys know I definitely love shopping in store, but I had to get my hands on these and I wanted to make sure I got them before they sold out, so I did get them online. This is what their new body mist look like. It is super sleek, very pretty, and this is the Vanilla Cashmere scent. So for the notes, the top notes are whipped vanilla, sweet cream, soft musk, cocoa butter, cozy caramel, and cashmere woods. I mean, who wouldn't like those scent notes? First of all, I absolutely love the bottle, and the mister is so good. And it smells just like their body butter, which is exactly what I was hoping for. It is so good. It is definitely a pretty light fragrance. It's not super strong like Sol de Janeiro body mist. It's not like that, but it doesn't go away right away, but it's also not very strong like a perfume. So I feel like this really is a true body mist. What I like about these is that they don't smell perfumey. I tend to find that a lot of body mists, even Sol de Janeiro mist, that are hair and fragrance mist, body mist, I feel like a lot of them still smell very perfumey. And so yeah, I really like this. I feel like it's very different, and I absolutely love that they went ahead and created a body mist. I would love to see more from them. There are some other scents that we have as well, so let's go ahead and do my personal favorite scent. I was able to find this body lotion at Walmart. They had a display with their holiday scents, and I was able to pick up the full size. This is my absolute favorite, and the notes on this one are buttery caramel, fluffy musk, sugar cookie, dewy gardenia, spiced vanilla, and golden woods. It is the creamiest, warmest caramel glazed scent ever. It is so good. Very gourmand. The most similar scent to this that people are going to be comparing it to is Sol de Janeiro's 71. It doesn't smell exactly like it. I feel like it definitely has more of a fresh element to it, but it is a very good gourmand scent. I love this. I've been wearing it every single night and after I shower, and it is amazing. And of course, they came out with the matching body mist in the same scent, Caramel Cashmere, and this scent, again, it's definitely lighter, but it is so good. I feel like the scent is a little less gourmand than the lotion itself. I find the lotion to definitely be more caramelly and sweeter. I feel like in the body mist, you definitely get more of like the woods, gardenia, musk. Like, it's not just straight up super sweet edible caramel like I feel like the lotion is. So paired together, they're absolutely beautiful. Separately, they're beautiful. But if you're looking for like ultra gourmand, then you're going to probably want the lotion over the mist if you are choosing between the two, but I highly recommend getting both. I absolutely love them, and I cannot wait to continue to use these and to use them together. The next scent that we have, I also was able to find this body lotion. The full size at Walmart is Peppermint Cashmere, and hear me out. If you don't like Bath & Body Works Peppermint Twist, their peppermint scents, this is very different from it. It is not a super pepperminty, minty, icy type of scent. again, it is not super strong in smelling like essential oils or anything like it. Like, this is more of a definitely wearable peppermint scent. The notes on this one, it says, are candy cane, spun sugar, marshmallow fluff, white chocolate, sandalwood, and airy musk. And I personally smell a lot more marshmallow in this than I do peppermint. You definitely get like that candy cane peppermint scent, but it is not super overpowering. It is a very, very wearable scent. And even as it dries down, like, it is mainly marshmallow with a hint of peppermint. It is so beautiful. And I think it is like the perfect holiday scent. Now, if you want it to be stronger, you can always mix and match the lotion, the scents, whatever else with different things. So like, you could totally do like peppermint cashmere body mist with the body butter, so you can get a little more vanilla in there. You can always do like a candy cane tree hut scrub with this. That would be so good. There's so many different options that you can do. Even this peppermint cashmere body lotion you can pair with the Bath & Body Works peppermint scent. So I do love the versatility of these scents amongst themselves, but also with other things that I already have in my collection. Now, this is, I think, maybe I would say my third fave. I don't even know. They're all so good. But this is another one that they have, and it is a great scent. This is another scent that they came out with, and I wasn't able to find the lotion at Walmart, but I did order the mini body lotion at Target online. This is Cocoa Cashmere. The notes are velvety cocoa, vanilla marshmallow, and sugared amber. This is what I'm wearing today, and it is so good, you guys. I feel like it is definitely not too heavy on the cocoa. Like, it doesn't smell like Bath & Body Works hot cocoa and cream. It is not super chocolatey and gourmand like that. Again, this has more amber, more marshmallow mixed in with a very light hint of cocoa. So I found that when I was wearing this, as it dried down, I definitely got more of like a vanilla than a cocoa or an amber type of scent. So as you first spray, I feel like you get more of that cocoa. As it dries down, it is mainly like vanilla with a super tiny hint of cocoa. So don't expect to be smelling like a hot chocolate or anything like that from this scent. Expect to smell like vanilla, a super warm vanilla with a very light hint of cocoa. Just so you know, so you're not blindsided when you buy this. But yeah, I absolutely love this scent. And again, the packaging is so cute. I absolutely love it. And yeah, I'm going to spray it one more time to see if I have any other thoughts. I love the sprayer on these. Like, the mist almost has a little bit of a floral in there. So the notes for the mist are velvety cocoa, orange blossom, vanilla marshmallow, iris petal, sugared amber, and tonka bean. On the dry down, again, I get a lot of vanilla with a hint of cocoa. But when you first spray the mist, I definitely smell a little bit of that citrusy floral in there. But as it dries down, you mainly just get that vanilla and cocoa. So yeah, I absolutely love these. They're definitely unique, and I do find it interesting that the way that they first spray is definitely different from how they dry down, but they all smell very, very good. And again, I cannot get enough of these lotions. They are so good, and they smell amazing. I would be happy, honestly, with just the lotions alone, but having the mist to pair them with, I'm so excited to have that like long-lasting scent. Even in the summer, honestly, I would definitely wear a lot of these, everything but the peppermint, honestly. So I'm super excited about that. And those are all of my thoughts on the new EOS products. Let me know if you guys have been able to find them at Walmart and Target, and if you guys like them. But let's go ahead and do Bath & Body Works. I literally just picked these up. They came out with some new scents. So these are all minis, and I will put a photo on the screen of all the scents they had. They had a lollipop one, which I didn't really like. I thought it was just like way too sour and candy and fake smelling. They also had a snowberry type peach maybe one, and that one smelled really good. I just can't see myself using it too often, so I didn't pick that up. But they did have buy 3 get 1 free, and they are minis, so it was $24, and I got 4 items. First up, we have Warm Butter Cookie, and I'm not sure if this is a repackage of the cookie scent, I think the Very Merry cookie scent that they already have, but it smells very, very, very similar. If anything, it just has a little more of a buttery note in it, but They're basically the same thing, if not very, very similar. So I do really like this scent. I got the mist and I also got the lotion. I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling this winter, so I figured this would be the perfect time to get these because they smell so good. A new favorite of mine is Cinnamon Spice Delight. Oh my goodness, you guys, it smells so good. After I sprayed it and I walked around shopping, I just kept getting whiffs of this throughout all of the stores. It smells amazing. Highly, highly recommend this one. This is what I wanted the gingerbread latte to smell like and their previous gingerbread scents. It's like the most cinnamony gingerbread scent ever. It is like a sugar cookie with more cinnamon. It is so good. It is so sweet. I can't recommend this one enough, you guys. Like, you guys have to check these out. They're absolutely incredible. And again, if you like super sweet treat gourmand, sugar cookie, bakery types of scents, you're going to love these. Highly, highly recommend. Last but not least, we have our Marshall's finds. First, we have Pine Parfait. This is from Le Monde Gourmand, and I featured their perfumes in the past. I absolutely love them. They're not the longest lasting perfumes, but they do smell very, very good, and I like pairing them with other scents. And this literally smells like if you were to take like Sweater Weather from Bath & Body Works or their Crisp Morning Air and mix it with a pine tree type of candle. It is so good. It smells like Christmas trees, but without all of those like cloves and spices and stuff. It is like a true pine, crisp, fresh scent. It is absolutely amazing. If you find this at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, you have to smell it if you like these types of scents because it is very unique and it's hard to smell or find scents like that nowadays. And I was able to find this Truly Beauty perfume discovery set at Marshall's for only $12.99, which is absolutely insane because it comes with 3 1-ounce perfumes. And typically they sell their full-size perfumes for, I believe, like $20-$30+ so you're basically getting 1 full-size perfume for only $13, yet you get 3 different scents. So yeah, I thought this was a super good deal, and it comes with the scents Vanilla Girl, Unicorn Fruit, and Coconut Dreams. So we're going to unbox this on here and get a first impressions because I haven't smelled these, but I love Truly Beauty products and I know their stuff always smells good, so I have high expectations. First up, we're going to smell Unicorn Fruit, which has notes of cotton candy, caramel, raspberry, and white blossom. I have a feeling that these are going to be really good summer on the go scents. And look at how cute these little bottles are. They are adorable, and honestly, I can travel with these too, so that is going to be nice. I like the mister. Oh my gosh, it literally smells like their body butter that went viral. It smells so good. It smells like a more matured Fruit Loops. It smells so good. It is so sweet, so strong. I'm really, really impressed with that, you guys. If you see this set, honestly, like, I would buy it, if not for yourself, as a gift, because these smell incredible. Next up, we have Vanilla Girl, and the notes on this one are vanilla, mandarin, lily of the valley, and almond. Let's smell this one. This one's pretty, but there's something in it I'm not crazy about. I feel like it almost smells a little musky. It's not bad, it's just not my favorite. I like it. Like, I feel like this is the type of perfume that I will throw in my travel bag and I will use because it's what I have. Sprayed with other mists on top, it'll be really good, but on its own, like, I wouldn't say you need this like full-size perfume. You know what I mean? So not as impressed as the Unicorn Fruit, but it still smells good and I'll definitely use it. The more dry sound, the more like plain vanilla it smells, which I like. Something in it just isn't my favorite. Now let's smell Coconut Dreams, and the notes on this one are coconut, vanilla, apricot, and tuberose. So let's go ahead and smell this one. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this one's amazing. It honestly smells like Tree Hut's their coconut body scrub, but it also smells kind of like Abercrombie & Fitch and Hollister. This is a summer scent. Like, this is a scent that I'm going to cherish and I'm going to wait until summer to use. And best believe I will be throwing it in my summer bags and using. I would buy a full size of this scent, 100%. It is so good. Even in the winter with Fresh Coconut Snowball from Bath & Body Works, it would be really good. So yeah, I'm really happy overall with these scents. I feel like 2 out of 3 of them were really, really good. The only one I'd say I was disappointed in was the vanilla, but I will still use it. And again, for $13, I got 3 ounces of perfume, which is basically the same size as one full-size perfume, but a fraction of the cost. So I'm super happy about that. And yeah, you guys, is everything that I've picked up. Mainly, all of this has been picked up within the past few days / week, and I am loving it. There are so many good holiday releases, and again, these EOS body lotions have just blown me away. Specifically, my favorite scent has to be the Caramel Cashmere. I truly have never smelled anything like it. It is so good. I want to smell like this 24/7. That is everything that I bought. The new goodies at Bath & Body Works, Walmart, Target, and some really good Marshall's finds. Again, if you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. I do also post on my other socials every single day at Bougie Finds Official on TikTok and Instagram, and then Bougie Finds is my Facebook page. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.